Today I'm going to show you how to do a classic French braid. Let's get started.
You're going to take a crown section and then divide that into 3 strands. Now you're going to place each strand over each other. Now you're going to repeat that pattern, but each time you're going to add in hair into each section. You're going to continue adding in small sections of hair into each of the 3 sections and crossing them over each other until all the hair is incorporated all the way down. I would suggest not looking in a mirror to do this because the reflection is backwards, so it could get a little confusing. Instead, I would suggest feeling each strand and trying to learn the pattern. At this point, you can continue doing a regular braid all the way down. Now you can start pulling on each section carefully so that way that you can make the braid a little bigger and fluff it up. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and make sure to click the notification bell so you never miss a future tutorial. There will be a new video every Sunday at 10 a.m.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you tune in for the next one. Bye!